Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download videos on TikTok to watch offline. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up TikTok, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, then click on the three lines on the top right. Then you need to go to Settings and Privacy, and then if you scroll down you should see Offline Videos. So you just want to tap on there, and this will just let you know download videos to watch offline. They'll be refreshed with new content when you're next connected to Wi-Fi. So it'll give you multiple options, so you can download 50 videos, 100, all the way up to 200 videos. So obviously you can just pick whichever one you want on there, then select download, and then it'll give you another option to download over Wi-Fi only as well. But all you need to do is click on the little settings cog on the top right, and it'll show you downloading the 50 videos there. You can obviously toggle on or off the Wi-Fi only if you want to do that. And also once you've finished downloading these videos, you can press clear, and then you can download them again, and you'll obviously get 50 different videos to watch. Thanks for watching,